Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB, natural titanium, locked, Boost Infinite plan required starting at $60/mo. Unlimited wireless, no trade-in needed to start. Get the latest iPhone every year. What's included? You get the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, complete with unlimited talk, text, and data on America's smart network. We make it easy to keep your existing number or get a new one if you prefer. Best of all, you can upgrade to the latest iPhone every year, no trade-in required to get started. Yes, seriously. Forged in titanium, iPhone 15 Pro Max has a strong and light aerospace-grade titanium design with a texture matte glass back. It also features a ceramic shield front that's tougher than any smartphone glass. And it's splash, water, and dust resistant. Advanced display, the 6.7 Super Retina XDR display with promotion ramps up refresh rates to 120Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus, with always-on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap it to stay in the know. Game-changing, a 17 Pro chip, a Pro-class GPU makes mobile games feel so immersive, with rich environments and realistic characters. A 17 Pro is also incredibly efficient and helps to deliver amazing all-day battery life. Powerful Pro camera system, get incredible framing flexibility with 7 Pro lenses. Capture super high-resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48MP main camera. And take sharper close-ups from farther away with the 5x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Maximum. Customizable action button. Action button is a fast track to your favorite feature. Just set the one you want, like silent mode, camera, voice memo, shortcut, and more. Then press and hold to launch the action. Unlimited wireless. Absolutely, all powered by America's smart network. We brought together 3 of America's 5G networks to give you unparalleled nationwide coverage. Now, you benefit from the combined strength of not just one, but 3 networks, ensuring seamless connectivity wherever you are. New iPhone every year. You got it. Your infinite access for iPhone plan comes with the perk of upgrading to the latest iPhone annually, courtesy of Boost Infinite. No trade-in required. That's right. Experience the convenience of having the newest iPhone delivered directly to your doorstep, with no trade-in required to get started. What's the catch? Believe it or not, there isn't one. This unbeatable deal, you all these benefits under the infinite access for iPhone plan from Boost Infinite, starting at just $60 per month.